Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell us. So how to fix problem when you cannot upload media on your TikTok. So first thing you could also try to close the app and just open that again. If that doesn't work, just try to update your application. So just go to App Store, just go to TikTok and just tap on update button here. So after you could also just try to check internet connection. So just try to turn off and turn on again. If that doesn't work too, you could also just try to clear TikTok cache. So just go to the settings here, to settings and privacy. After just scroll down, and here you will see free up space, and here you will see cache. So you could also just try to clear cache. Also, you could try to reinstall your application. Sometimes it also works. Another thing you could try also to just check media file that you try to upload. So actually, if you have that issue only with one file, so mostly it means that actually maybe try to use another extension of the file, or just try to use another file, just cut that or something like that. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye.